In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily transfer an image from Google Docs to Google Slides. Whether you're preparing a presentation for work, school, or just for fun, this simple process can make your slides look polished and professional. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to have your Google Doc open. Find the image you wish to transfer. Once you've located it, place your mouse over the image and then right-click. A menu will appear with several options. From these, select Copy. This command stores your image temporarily, allowing you to paste it wherever you need. Next, you'll need to open your Google Slides presentation. If you haven't already created one, you can do so by going to Google Slides and selecting or creating the presentation where you'd like the image to appear. Navigate to the specific slide where you want the image to be displayed. Once there, it's time to paste your copied image. Simply press Ctrl+V on a PC or CMD+V on a Mac, and your image should appear on the slide. This quick shortcut makes it easy to transfer information between programs. Now that your image is in place, you may want to adjust its size or position to better fit the slide's design. Click on the image and resize it by clicking and dragging the corners in or out. This ensures that the image maintains its dimensions and doesn't become distorted. To move the image, click and hold it, and then drag it to the desired position on the slide. Feel free to use the grid lines in Google Slides to help you align your image with the other elements on the slide for a more organized look. And there you have it. You've successfully transferred an image from Google Docs to Google Slides in just a few easy steps. This method is straightforward and requires minimal effort, making it perfect for anyone looking to enhance their presentations with images. Remember, practice makes perfect. If it doesn't look quite right the first time, keep experimenting with the sizing and positioning until you're happy with the result. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful tips on using Google tools efficiently.